Hey guys, welcome back to Admob. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Admob versus Unity ads, which is better. So if you're interested, let's get started. In this case, you might be wondering which is the better option for you, either the Admob or the Unity ads, which in this case, we'll be discussing some features and the key differences here. So first, let's go ahead and discuss Admob. Now, Admob is one of the most popular platforms in monetizing apps, especially known for handling high-quality traffic since it's powered by Google. It operates smoothly across both Android and iOS platforms, and one of its standout features is that it doesn't interfere with the flow of your app's traffic. It offers a range of ad formats like native ads, interstitial ads, rewarded video ads, which gives developers flexibility in how they integrate ads. Now, Admob is backed by Google's powerful infrastructure, which means that it's nearly limitless in terms of reach. However, its screening process for ads can be more stringent, which some developers find challenging. This platform is really well suited for app developers looking to monetize high quality apps without focusing exclusively on games. Now, what about Unity ads? Now, Unity ads is, on the other hand, is particularly effective for game developers. It offers the best formats for video ads and rewarded video ads, which are crucial in keeping gamers engaged while monetizing the app. While Admob is versatile and works across both apps and games, Unity ads is primarily designed for games and integrates seamlessly with Unity's development platform. Now, Unity ads also tends to focus more on monetization sides of things, giving game developers various tools to maximize revenue, especially through video ads. The platform's resources, reports, and guides are all aimed to helping game developers optimize their ad strategies and making it a great fit for those working within the gaming industry. Now, let's go and discuss the key differences. Now, Admob works for both apps and games, making it ideal for developers who want a versatile ad network that can be used across different types of apps. Now, what about Unity ads? Now, in this case, is more focused on game developers, offering specialized ad formats like reward video ads, which perform exceptionally well in games. Now, if you're working on apps that's not a game, then Admob here might be the better choice because it's designed to handle a wider range of apps. Now, on the other hand, if you're a game developer, especially if you're using Unity to build your games, it makes more sense to use the Unity ads here since it's designed specifically for gaming environments. Now, in conclusion, if you're a game developer, especially one working on mobile games, well, Unity ads is the better choice here due to its tailored ad formats, strong support for video ads. Now, if you're an app developer looking for a flexible solution that works across both apps and games, in this case, Admob is a way to go here, as it provides broader ad network with multiple ad formats. So ultimately, the choice comes down on the type of app you're developing. If it's a game, Unity ads will likely boost your revenue through rewarded video ads. If it's non-gaming app, well, Google Admob offers a more versatile platform with a broader reach. Now, in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Admob. Thank you for watching.